Ever wondered what's inside your Bluetooth headphones? Bluetooth headphones operate using a combination of electronic components and wireless technology. Inside the headphones, tiny speakers called drivers convert electrical signals into sound waves. When paired with a device, like a smartphone, the headphones use a small built-in radio transmitter and receiver to communicate via Bluetooth, a wireless protocol using radio waves. Digital audio is transmitted from the device, decoded by a chip in the headphones, and then converted into vibrations by the drivers, producing sound you can hear.